Who are we? The colored, Negroes, Africans, African Americans, blacks, or Hebrew Israelites? Why does my name change every so many years? Have you ever asked yourself, who am I? Who are we? Where is our origin? As a people, where is our homeland? Before the slave ships, where did our people live? Exactly where did we originate from? He shall put a yoke of iron upon thy neck. Deuteronomy 28, verses 48 through 49. Therefore shalt thou serve thine enemies, which the Lord shall send against thee, in hunger, and in thirst, and in nakedness, and in want of all things. And he shall put a yoke of iron upon thy neck, until he have destroyed thee. The Lord shall bring a nation against thee from far, from the end of the earth, as swift as the eagle flieth, a nation whose tongue thou shalt not understand.